Hey, registration on the beast. Hopefully she makes it until the new engine's in. So far so good. We're stopping here at Team Ford where we got the RS. I have a buddy right there, Leo, who works in service, bent over backwards for us, and he really wanted to see the Supra and he was not anticipating it. And so far the car is running exceptionally well. We have no idea what the coolant leak was all about. It's not leaking a damn thing, and she is running awesome. Still quick, so just stay tuned. Type R clutch just came in, so that's going to be fixed. The Supra's insured and registered and running and driving great. So I don't know how that happened, but it did. Brought it to Ford, as you've seen, and he was like picking apart the car because of the body shop work. So yeah, you can kind of see the crappy, I don't even know what you want to call it, polish, whatever, clear coat job they did. And then he pointed out up here, there's like a spot where the clear coat is chipping off. Right there. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure everything gets fixed because that's complete bullshit. But good day so far. Oh, and I got a job. So it's been a really good day. To lighten the load a little bit on the rotational mass, I got a 12-pound street light flywheel from ACT. So pretty excited to put that thing in this bad boy.